I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use LTE on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. First, make sure your watch is fully charged and paired with your smartphone. You'll also need an active LTE plan from your carrier that supports wearable devices. Once those prerequisites are met, open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. This app is your central hub for managing all watch settings, including cellular connectivity. We'll walk through the steps together to get you connected. Now that you're in the Galaxy Wearable app, let's configure your mobile network. Tap on Watch Settings, then look for the Mobile Networks option. This section is where you'll manage your watch's cellular connection. Your carrier might require you to log in or confirm details. The process usually takes just a few minutes, guiding you through each step to ensure a smooth activation. Don't worry, it's designed to be straightforward. After completing the setup, it's crucial to verify your LTE connection. Look at your watch face for a small LTE icon, usually near the top. To truly test it, try leaving your phone behind and making a call or sending a text directly from your watch. You can also open a data-dependent app, like a weather app, to ensure data is flowing. A successful connection means you're free to roam without your phone. If you encounter any issues, don't fret. A simple restart of both your Galaxy Watch Ultra and your smartphone can often resolve minor glitches. Double-check with your mobile carrier to confirm your plan is active and fully supports your watch model. Sometimes, a quick call to their support team can clarify any account-specific problems. Remember, most issues are easily fixable, getting you back to enjoying your watch's full capabilities in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.